What's going up, guys? It's Charlie and Carter with Goss Bros at RV Central. Today we're going to be showing you one of my new favorite personal units for a couples coach. It's the 2024 Jayco Jay Flight, and this is the 225 MLS mid-living slide unit. In my opinion, it is that perfect size for that in-between where I don't need it for weeks at a time, but I want to be able to travel, go through mountains, things of that nature, and long distance trips. It's that perfect middle of the road size with a slide. We'll start up front. You get your 2 LP tanks still, your power tongue jack, diamond plate guard, your one-piece gray front cap still, aluminum sided with your 360 camera prep for blind spot cameras and the rear view camera. For 24, they did keep the rock solid stabilizer jacks, huge upgrade from prior the 2022 year, so happy that's still going. Jayco, obviously everybody knows, if you're looking at this, you've probably already heard about their 2+3 year warranty, 2-year limited, 3-year structural. Tinted windows, you got your solid steps here. These are, I believe, the Lippard solid steps. Outdoor TV hookup is still standard on it. 2 outdoor speakers, your fresh water fill. Goodyear tires. One note change that did happen in 2024, the SLX line went away from the Goodyear tires to help bring the price point down, but this Jay Flight is not an SLX, it's still in the Jay Flight line, so it has the Goodyear tires on it. We do have our awning out on this one. This one has the solid black at the top, and then it fades out to white at the very end of it as you roll it out. It is adjustable. We put it out as far as we can with this one next to us. Spare tire on the back. Jayco, the #1 selling travel trailer for 15 years now. Outdoor shower has hot and cold as well as the handle. Black tank flush, didn't cut that out. A lot of brands have started decontenting this year. We have noticed that Jay Flight did not do that. Jayco as a whole hasn't done that. With the exclusion of their SLX line, they have added content to everything while driving the price down this year, which is huge for us as a Jayco dealer. We love to see that. Coming around to the side here, you might even hear it clicking. We have our on-demand water heater here. We do have power to it, so it's clicking, trying to light, yelling at us that there's no propane in it right now. Our slide here, we have the Schwintek slide. And around through, we have our pass-through storage up in the front. And I think that just about wraps it up for the exterior of the 225 MLS. Alrighty, let's check out the inside. If you are a big Jayco Jay Flight, Jay Feather fan, you might look at this floor plan and say, wait, this isn't a new floor plan, this looks familiar. Well, they took the Jay Feather, which is almost identical to this, and put it in the Jay Flight series, and instead of having a Murphy bed, we have the solid fixed bed here with the storage underneath. They added about 2 foot so we could walk around it still. But it is the exact same unit, minus that extra 2 foot and adding the solid bed. You will see we have our cabinets on the side, standard shelves there, hanging rack over here. Notable thing with Jayco Jay Flight this year, it is standard 200 watt solar panel with a 30 amp controller on all Jay Flights this year. There is the TV backer. We opted to go with the recliners on this one. We just thought it made sense. Being directly across from your entertainment system up here, it's that perfect layout with your little dining table trays. Your radio on the interior there with the indoor-outdoor speakers still. Also have the option for a 12-volt powered TV on this as well. It also standard with the dinette. I believe that's the only option on that one, but there's storage underneath on it. Have a little bit of pantry storage up here, as well as over top of counter space. We have some drawers here. Hidden hinge cabinetry as well still. As we've seen with the 24 changes, new cabinetry. One of my favorite new features, it's a very underrated feature right now. This fridge, so ready? Watch this. Ta-da, right, normal. 10 or 8 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. Close it, both sides. So
I didn't even know that.
Yep, has both sides, which has been huge for us, because how many times have I heard from customers, well, this should have been installed backwards or that way, you know, not realizing that sometimes that can't be done, or why they had to do it a certain way. So now, for those who tell me that the manufacturer put it on backwards, well, do it both ways now. Super impressed by that. Up into the front here, we still have our Dometic oven and stove, little vent over top. I love this little back area here with the back windows. Just seems very homey to me with the double sink there, more cabinetry up top. Good storage for a smaller trailer. Into the bathroom, here we go. We have winterized all of our units on the lot, so apologize if you see some pink in the drains there. We just went through them winterized. But honestly, a spacious bathroom for a 22 model trailer. I love it. Not too big of a step into the bathroom. It is about a 6 to 8 inch step, but not as bad as the old bathtubs used to be, which is a big complaint, as well as still having your skylight up top there with this pocket door on it. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. This unit does come in, it weighs about 5,500 pounds, just under that. This unit is also priced at $27,995. To me, it's that sweet spot where we finally are getting things below that 30 grand mark. A lot of those 24, 25, 26 foot models are just out of reach. This is that perfect price point. You don't get the separate bedroom, but you do get the walk around bed that's fixed, and it feels completely spacious, like you're in a different area of the camper. So I am completely in love with this unit. I think it'll be a great seller for Jayco and the Jay Flight line. Now that it's brought that price point back down, I'm excited to see what we do with it this year.
Absolutely, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what units you want to see some more reviews of. All right, Gosh Bros out.